In Knowlton, New Jersey, a homicide investigation took a dramatic and tragic turn along Interstate 80 near Route 46. Armand Anthony Abitabile, the prime suspect in the fatal shooting of Cheryl Schilling, died while being taken into custody by New Jersey State Police. Bodycam footage shows a tense roadside confrontation, a prolonged struggle, and then a sudden medical emergency. In this video, we break down the full sequence of events and what investigators later revealed about his death.
Where is he?
He's over there across the bushes. I think he's been shot.
State Police, put your hands up!
I don't think he's hurt nobody. He's hurt bad.
Where are you? There's just one guy? What was he wearing?
He's in the bushes right here. Let me...
Where? Is he behind the guardrail? Where is he?
Yeah, right in there. Yeah.
Behind the barrier?
Yeah, he's going to have to come down 94. And he's in there. But he was running all around.
State Police, put your hands up! So he's on the other side of where that car is?
You got to go across that barrier. Oh, God. He's on the other side. But now,
and that's, is that 46?
One took off across the road. Oh, there was two? Yeah.
The male that was assisting the female's name is, he's got no weapon, and he's going up to the front door.
Alright, the guy's over there. But we're going to have to drive around. There's two supposedly. One got shot. There's one?
Well, there's one guy that's hollering. I saw him fall in the bushes.
The male that was assisting the female prior, he has no weapon on him, and he's coming out from number through the front door.
Of course. Alright, looks like it's me and you. Where's a better spot? Hey, go on the radio and tell them to follow the semicircle around or tell somebody to go on 46 till they see us. Where's like an opening I can go?
9058. Be advised. Come on 46 until you see us. There's somebody walking towards 46.
There's a little walkthrough over here.
Sergeant, you want 50 troopers on 46? What do you need?
Go to 46 like you're going to 94. The shooter should be over here.
We received another call stating that someone sees a male running and yelling that he's going to die on the exit ramp from I-80 to 46. Headed towards the woods.
I should
You want to check that ramp?
State Police!
Recon, are we in contact with the male inside number?
Where's that guy that was yelling over here?
Received.
And 3-454, we'll be making entry into house number.
Is it just you?
I'll give you an update.
Received.
Get away!
Recon, we got him outside.
Put your hands up!
46 near the berm.
Stay there. Please, we die peaceful.
Is there somebody else there?
Let me die with you, please. I'm not police! Please! Put your fucking hands up! I can't! Just kill me! Please don't kill me! Please! I didn't do nothing!
3-1,
What the fuck?
front ramp. It's going to be on the
Get on the ground!
other side.
Down the fucking ground!
All they said was from I-80 to 46.
I don't know, Jim. I'll run out. Please.
Get on your fucking stomach!
Lay down on your belly! Lay down on your belly! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Please. Please, I do nothing. I didn't do it, bro. I'm gonna put the hard up.
Take your fucking hand off your goddamn head! Fucking move it behind your back!
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back!
Don't kill me.
Put your hand behind your back!
Please don't kill me. Hey!
Shut the fuck up! Behind your back! Put your hand behind your back! Stop!
Don't kill
Stop
me.
resisting!
Don't kill me.
Put your hands behind
Don't
your
kill
back!
me.
Stop!
I'm not moving. Down, bro. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Bro. Bro.
Hey, is this the guy you saw? Is that the guy you saw run?
Yeah, he fell right in there.
Stop resisting!
Help them.
Oh my God, please, bro. I just told you that. Oh my God!
Put your hands behind your back. You good?
Let go of my fucking gun!
What was the shooter?
Let go of my fucking gun! I got a fucking gun!
Kill me! I'm sorry.
Alright, he's at the barrel. Does he have any wounds on him? Or search him real fast. Take everything out. Take everything out.
Go ahead.
Alright, one unconscious, unresponsive female. We'll be getting CPR.
I love her.
Get everything out.
Fire!
Claire, do me a favor.
Fire!
We're going to have to look down there because this is most likely the shooter.
Sarge, what are you doing?
We're going to have to look for the shotgun. It's not in peril. Wait, hold on. Stay here.
Troopers advised the house is clear.
I don't die.
3 comms, 772. Can you confirm the description of the shooter?
Oh my God, bro.
Stop fucking moving!
Oh, Fred! Help me!
You done searching him?
Yeah, I can't get this.
You can't get his front pockets. Help me!
The white male with tattoos has khaki
Help
on.
me! Help me!
Alright, he's going to be under right now. We're searching him. We have him. Good location would be the 94 going into 46 in the grass.
Proceed.
I was there, bro.
Alright.
No, come on, boo. Come on, believe me. Stay like this. Stay flash. Just sit like this. Let me look for a minute. I'm a foul.
Alright, so he's done being searched?
Stand
Nothing's
by.
on him?
Stand by. Don't kill me.
White substance covered.
Don't kill me.
Just leave it there. We don't need to touch any of that for now.
Take care of my wife. Please, you kill me. Please overtime.
Alright.
Anyone found a gun?
Go.
So, he's the description of the shooter to a T.
I think kill my
My guess
kill my
is
wife.
somewhere in there.
I did.
So, we're going to have
They
to
kill me like that. Come
do a look.
Help back here, breathe. Please. Breathe, I try to kill my
Sarah's got the most medical experience.
No,
you,
do this.
Probably go
That lady?
Please.
to the victims.
I don't see any life
I have to
threatening
search
wounds on
him.
him.
I gotta speak.
Go. Grab it in.
Car over there, sir.
Grab it in.
Alright, what's your
Grab
plan
it.
with him?
Help.
I'm going, Kyle.
Help.
I'm done.
Oh, where's she going?
Help.
Alright,
Stop, sir.
On the,
He's trying to kill me, Billy.
that's fine.
you got it?
Billy, kill me.
Whose car is that?
I'm not resisting.
Whose car is that?
Mine, sir. I'm not sure.
Get him.
Yours?
He's a dog.
Locked?
Get him. He's right there. He's going away. He's going away. He's going back.
You think we could throw him in the back of that?
Yeah,
Let me go. No.
just breathe.
Give me that.
No, please.
You're okay.
No.
You're alright.
Don't breathe like mine.
Safe.
You're okay.
Safe.
No.
In the chamber.
I would die.
You're okay.
I would die. Die right now. Leave me there.
Alright, you're gonna stand
None
up.
of you have long guns, right?
I have a long
Let me
gun,
die.
I see
There we
that.
go.
None of you guys.
Let me die.
Alright.
It's alright.
Alright, kneel him back.
8454.
Kneel him back, and then we're gonna see if we can stand him up and get him in the back of the car.
Have you sent an EMS?
No.
Clareville, you sit right here.
Stop. Stop. You kill me.
Proceed.
Or is that not gonna happen?
Stop.
Just watch his mouth.
Kill me. Try to kill me.
You know what? Just leave it.
Try to kill me.
Just leave it. It ain't worth it.
Try to kill me. No. You're doing me again.
Nope. She's gonna go that
No,
way.
get up. He's double axle. He got to do double axle. Fuck you. I kill me. I I got dentures.
All right, he's got no life-threatening wounds on him?
Oh. No, sir, you got to breathe. I'm doing breathe. Both of them breathe. Get off.
Relax, bro.
Let me breathe, bro.
You can breathe. You're
I'll tell you.
You're talking, not on you.
Let me breathe.
You're there.
That's probably coke,
I'm
right?
sorry.
Just relax.
Let go. Let go.
You're fine, bro.
Proud. Just man. Proud of kids. That's two babies. I just miss, bro.
What's going on?
I just please.
You're fine.
She's killing me.
Listen, bro.
My wife wants to get girl.
Take a breath.
No, I'm dying for breathing my breath.
What happened?
No, I breathe.
Tell me what
Hey,
happened, bro.
8907.
Ah.
Let
Let me breathe.
continue to clear the house in the back.
You're right here.
Power seat, I just got here.
I'm going to loosen up a little bit, but you
772.
gotta calm down.
Hey, can you turn your lights on?
Okay?
That's all it's just
All right, you gotta calm
I
down.
just look.
All right, can you send a rig to my location?
Let me breathe.
7728, and it was 94 going into 46 onto the grass, correct?
All right.
That's a firm. I have a troop car on the ramp that they should be able to see.
Received.
Look up there, woman. He says, I say that. I don't tell you. Tell my friend. For word. For word. You say yourself. You have a choice right now. Let me breathe it out. Let me breathe it out.
Stop moving. Just stop moving.
So he had a shotgun, but I didn't walk through over there to really look. I'd say hang out here for now, because that's not going anywhere at this point.
I'll be a brief one. Alright. Let me look for a minute. Stop.
Where's the gun? Where's the
My life.
What's your name?
You said it's,
What,
Very good.
who's got gloves on?
Thank you.
What's his name? Get his wallet.
No.
you said you put it in the
I
grass,
don't
bro?
know. I thought I told you first.
It's in the grass?
I thought you first, baby.
Where'd you
Do
put
it.
it?
You got ID in there?
I thought they told you.
Where'd you put it?
Bar up, go.
Just tell me
Let go of this.
Hey, we're gonna. Hey, what's your name?
Hey,
What's your
Hey,
name?
what is your name?
Brad Bradley.
What's
Big
it?
Bitty.
What's your name?
Gippy.
Gippy?
Yeah.
Gippy.
Yeah.
Hey, can you calm down right now? Hey, Gippy. Hey, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit you down, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have you kneel first. So
You gotta listen.
yes,
We're gonna let you listen. We're gonna let you up, but you gotta listen. Okay? Take a deep breath. I'm gonna let
Gippy,
you up.
we're gonna roll you on your back and then lift you forward, and you're gonna sit down, okay?
You gotta sit
breathe.
down. Just sit
All right,
down.
roll him.
All right.
Roll him that way.
Sit on your butt.
Breathe.
Sit on your butt.
Roll him.
I'm sorry.
Sit on your butt, bro.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sick.
Now sit. Now sit him.
Sit down. Just sit down. Sit down. Relax.
Get him away from that. Get him away from that.
Dr. Bill. Bow.
You know what? He's staying like this now.
He won't move.
He can't.
Where we go?
Sit down, bro.
Where
He
we
just
go?
kicked you, so you
Bow.
can't.
That's what I'm telling you.
You okay?
Let
Sir,
go.
we'll put him on the
Let
side.
go.
Yeah, just leave him like this. He's on his side.
7728, you guys need more stars in 10 minutes out.
Non-emergent. He's we just have PC search request positive for what looks like cocaine.
Time to dive in. Doctor. Doctor.
Relax.
Don't let him kill me.
Just relax.
Take
All
a
right,
deep breath, okay?
Yeah.
Relax.
Let me live. Let me live. Let me
Don't grab
live.
anything.
Louis. Louis, my brother.
He's fine. You got 2 sets of cuffs.
Let me live.
He's on his side almost.
Let me breathe.
Calm down.
All right.
Do we have a, you have
die.
us out?
You're good,
I'm
bro.
just.
I know. For
They're
them.
dealing with them first.
Yeah, 100%.
So
He gets shot.
unfortunately, you guys.
Doctor.
Oh, Stoner's not coming.
Let go. Let go, nigga.
Where's your bike?
Get off.
Somewhere on the ground.
That's right.
We all got
Not
ours on.
shooting. Yes, that right.
You got it?
Show it off.
Just look for it.
Stop reaching your hand.
Authorities later determined that Abitabile died from drug toxicity, complicated by cardiovascular disease, and a grand jury concluded no charges would be filed against the officers involved. This case underscores how quickly high-risk encounters can escalate and how rapidly medical crises can unfold during an arrest. If you found this breakdown informative, like and subscribe for more detailed body cam analysis and case reviews.